we're talking. Quick garden video, going to show you what's going on back here with our cucumbers. As you can see, let me whip this down a little bit. Plant is way outside, and that's okay. You know what, for next year we'll make a little change here if we do happen to plant the cucumbers here in this box. There we go. You can definitely see on both sides of the bin now. Again, 96 inches long, 3 feet wide, 18 inches high, and we're pulling out probably about 20, no more than that, 24, 25, 26 cucumbers, and I'll just grab a few here. There they are. And they are awesome. So just in this little area right here, this is what we've done. We've gone ahead and done that. And I'll drop those back down there. Onto it, what else we got in there? Green peppers. There we go. Everything's good. So just a quick video, quick update on the garden, quick update on the garden box, obviously. And then back behind us, if we take a look, I'll just kind of zip the camera around here real quick. You can see zucchini, I mean massive, massive plants. Cucumber here too. Tomatoes coming up. Cucumbers are invading at the space here. That's okay. Look at the size of these leaves. Look at that, they're massive. Carrots, actually not looking bad. Look at the cracks in the ground, oh boy. Potatoes, not good at all this year. Has not been a good year for potatoes. So there we go, just a quick garden update. Welcome back to the Canadian Gardener. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, all that. If you have a little bit of space in your backyard, you can do this. You can do this and have a great little harvest right here. So that's it. Pull out my little thing here to shut the camera off. Cheers. And it's still recording.